Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the original Emma's house with Louis, Charlotte and Emma, and I actually did do a video on making a parents' bedroom addition and changing Emma's room, but I thought I need to do it for the new family now, so I have rebuilt it and they've actually moved into another house, so they've still got a house, so let's take a look. Why does LEGO always insist on the parents sleeping on the couch? They never make a parent's bedroom. And little Henry, where's he got to sleep? Only Emma received a bedroom in the house. Alrighty, here it is, the bottom floor and garden area. I loved the archway that came with the house. So I kept that and all the fencing. I wanted to keep the look of the original. So I tried to make it 32 deep, but I added that little section in there because I wanted a little bit more garden area, as there are two smaller kids in this house and they need a lot of area to run around. So this is what it looks like on this side. I didn't want to make the house too deep, but the kitchen area had to be 16 deep. That's just how it worked out. I've popped in Emma's splash pool there and just added a few toys into the pool for the kiddies. So little blow up toys. I've got the cherry blossom tree there and a love heart shaped pond for the frog. Also love the stone path, the pebble look, so I kept that. Over here, I made a little sand pit for Henry. There's a little sand castle there. Now we need a nice big tree to give shade, and I popped Emma's pet bird into the tree also. So that's going to go here. And make sure that it all lines up. And I made a little swing. So I just used all those rope parts and joined it together like that. So that's going to go on the tree branch over here. Just trying to pop it into position. There we go, now it swings. Henry's gonna love that tree swing. Now over here we need a table setting with lots of yummy food. There's some stools here for them all to sit on, and then I made some of these tropical looking plant things. And now we need a barbecue, cook lots of yummy burgers and sausages on. I actually made a short on that, so I'll pop the link in. And there's Emma's bike. So that's the front, all done. Let's check out inside. Starting with the lounge area. I'll just zoom in so we can see. I've made a little stand here for the vase, and that's going to go in the corner. And the rest of the furniture, 2 couches, a lamp, and we need a TV stand with DVDs underneath. So that goes over here. And also a little bookshelf and little storage there of Emma's little artwork that she made. And now here, a little hallway table because we want another vase and put some letters in when you walk in. So that goes over here. Over to the kitchen, kept that original fridge and the kitchen colours, and I have a little dishwasher here and lots of accessories and appliances. Over here I made a wall oven and lots more storage, and we've got baked beans there and jam and cups and everything because we've got a big family living in this house. So that goes there. And this is what it looks like with everything else in it. Lots of things, nice big kitchen. I lowered the chairs a little bit so I could fit the mini dolls in. And there's the family portrait that I did. So sits proud there. And we've got a little baby high chair for baby Sophie. I've actually made a short on that, so I'll put the link in. The lounge and kitchen area all done, nice and large with lots of things inside for a family of 5. Time for level 2, and we have the parents' room and the bathroom on this level. I really loved the 3 awning windows that came with the original set, so I kept that here on this level and did it for the parents' room too. Parents' bedroom, nice and large. We've got some cat stickers there because that's where the baby's cot's gonna go. Got a nice magenta rug there, and we're gonna pop in the parents' bed. So nice modern looking bed. I added those bricks with the texture in for the bed head, so that's gonna go here. And this is the chest of drawers and vanity that came with the original. I just made it a bit larger, put more perfumes in there and makeup for mum. So that goes here in the corner. And now we need a lamp, same as the one from downstairs. Mum needs a comfy recliner chair to feed baby Sophie. So that's gonna go over here. There, that can move around, so comfy and colourful looking. We need a baby change table with some nappies there and baby powder. That's where the baby lays down to get changed. And now we need her little cot, and she's got a little puppy dog toy in there. Oh, so cute. And parents' bedroom is done, and stepdad Robert is super happy. He's laying down on the bed, and mother June with baby Sophie is on the recliner. Let's check out this huge bathroom. The bathroom is the same as the original. I really liked that design. I loved the design of the toilet. I just added a shower screen there. That's the bath, loved it, and we need a bath for the little kids, so that goes there. And then I made this overhead shower with a huge rain head on, and there it is. So Emma's happy because there's so much room for her to be in the bathroom now. So that's level 2 finished. Let's pop it on top. There we are, that's clicked in place. That's looking very good. And oh, my daughter told me I forgot the bamboo plant in the parents' room. There we are. A little detail I missed. All clicked in. Oh, what a happy looking house. So now Henry's and Emma's room. So this is their section. So that's Henry's room. And Emma, she gets the balcony, and I've extended the balcony a bit and put in a cherry blossom tree for her. With the roof, I actually extended it because I didn't want the rooftop garden area anymore since I made such a large garden for him downstairs. Just wanted it a bit different. And the glass bricks. So this was in the remodel that I did of the previous Emma's house, and I really liked that. And there's her bedroom. So that's a set from quite a while away with her 4-poster bed. She's got a little cat Chico in here on his cat stand, little telephone there, and this is the area where she paints and does all her artwork. Emma loves her new room and large bed and a really big balcony. So let's go over to Henry's room. So I actually made a separate video on how to build everything. So I'll pop the link in also so you can have a look. Henry's room is filled with lots of toys. So he's got little micro scale toys in there, and his little truck bed. It's so cute. It fits him so perfectly. Henry has a few Star Wars toys in his room, and he's even got a micro scale little Lego city. So that's a little tiny Lego city. He loves playing with that. I love building his room, it's so cute. Let's pop him in. There he is. He is happy with his room, and so is Emma. So that's done. Now up here, you can make a bigger loft if you want, but I wanted the roof to feel really high up for their bedrooms. Just something different for them, a different style design. All right, let's pop you up here. Oh, check this out. My new version of Emma's house. Oh, I've rebuilt this so many times. The whole family is enjoying the new garden. Emma's enjoying some stinky cheese and the boys are watching a fashion show. Dad's putting Sophie to bed while Mum enjoys some quiet time. Emma wants some quiet time in her room, so she's locked Henry out. Emma's house 3.0. So yes, I have rebuilt this so many times, but that's the beauty about Lego. If you get bored, you can rebuild it, and if you have new ideas, it's great. So I love how this has turned out. The new family loves it. I love it, and it looks good in my street. I hope I have given you some ideas on how to rebuild yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, and get creative.